Hello class and welcome back. This is going to be the last exercise for this chapter and we'll move on to the next one in the next video. But this last exercise, the case problems in this section introduce two fictional businesses, and we did Greenville in our last video. Magnificent Murals is a company that paints interior and exterior murals for both business and residential customers. Write a program named Magnificent Motto that displays the company's motto, which is make your vision your way. Edit the program so that it displays the motto surrounded by a border composed of repeated M's. Your output should look something like this. So we're just going to keep this Greenville sign and we're going to copy the M's and replace the asterisks with the M's. So this is going to be a really easy fix if you've been following me along, with me. We're going to do the same thing for this other row. And then we're going to copy and paste this little middle bit. There we go. And let's run it, see if it looks okay. Looks good. And that's it. That's it for this exercise. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.